Hey, you could probably do this in Photoshop, but from the looks of it, it looks like it was done in Illustrator, at least initially, to make these shapes, because it's pretty simple. Just going to draw a rectangle, and we're going to do a couple of copies on that. So hold Alt and drag to the right, and then Control D to step repeat that copy. So we're just getting a bunch of different copies here. Hold Alt and drag down and get some vertical copies going. So now we just got a bunch of rectangles here, and we're going to object transform each. And I've already set these values up, but one thing you need to make sure you have is random checked, so that all these transforms are randomly distributed. Play around with the scale, 20% is good. We're just scaling them all down randomly. So, and then you can just play with these numbers, horizontal moves, so that you get a nice distribution of all of these rectangles. Don't play with the angle though, because we're going to do that later. So just get some good variation on these rectangles. I think I'm going to scale them down just a bit more. See what happens. That looks pretty good. Click OK, and then we're going to use the shear tool, and you're going to want to hold Shift, click, and drag till you get the angle you're looking for. So that looks about right. And I think I'm going to just copy a few of these over just to get a little bit more of the subject in the in here. So I'm just randomly grabbing a few of these little pieces, and I'm just going to transform them again, but at 100% scale, so they don't scale any further. That looks good. Okay, and then we're going to merge all these together, or unite actually. So Control A, Pathfinder, unite. That makes them one object. Unfortunately, it groups them also. So what you're going to need to do is ungroup those, and then Control A again, and then Control 8, which is going to make them a compound path. Alright, now I've got this random stock photo I had laying around. Just scale this up to the artboard, and select the all your rectangles and your photograph, and Control 7. And if you wanted to clip that again, just make an artboard rectangle, Control A, and then Control 7. I'll clip it. That's pretty much it. Alright.